Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2026 Ford Maverick XL. Coming in this nice shadow black coloring, this vehicle's going to be powered by a 2.5 liter full hybrid engine, has all-wheel drive capabilities. We got the 2K trailer hitch right here. With your backup camera, we do get the nice looking bed on here. You got a nice little cargo storage area, all pretty nice mud flaps on the rear and front, blind spot detection, and moving to the front, we do get that nice Ford grille. Taking a look at the back here, we can see this vehicle does see a 2.5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black and gray cloth interior, floor mats, carpet interior, plenty of storage. On the sides here, we do get under-seat storage as well, 2 USB-Cs and a hook for tie-downs or whatever you need. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a manual driver's seat, manual passenger seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, powered windows, mirrors, locks, lights, gas cap, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 9 kilometers. Got this nice vinyl wrap steering wheel with toggle-free screen, drive modes, voice, phone and media, volume mute, and cruise control. We got a digital speedometer with My View, trip and economy, towing, status info, vehicle maintenance, audio, phone, and other settings. Your drive modes, which do include normal, sport, tow and haul. We got eco and slippery. To my right, we got our gear slick, parking brake, traction, and tons of storage. 12-volt USB and USB-C. We got storage under there. Ignore the keys. Volume, playback by Ford, calm screen, hazards, and auto hold. Storage below. Storage on the dash with a nice big infotainment system where you got your audio, phone, settings, features, and apps, climate controls at the bottom. For your audio, you do get your AM, FM, Bluetooth, Sirius XM, phone controls with your settings. You got your features of the vehicle right here. Towing, driving assist, owner's manual, and any apps you may download will show up right here with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Shifting to reverse, we do get that lovely backup camera. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is RB27814, and you can head on into PG Ford or give us a call.